in LA. Good morning, everybody. TGIF from the streets. Hey, I'm vlogging here from the streets of Los Angeles, California. Welcome to all of you. And yeah, it is Friday. I'm off with you guys. We're gonna try I got my Adidas on today. We're gonna try supposed to be a pretty well-regarded breakfast spot over here. So take you guys along with me this morning. Flip that camera around. It's the air quality's so. I'm about a mile and a half from the very core downtown here. I'm gonna have to cross over. They got all of this work here. So interesting, behind me, that split right there. That like a Flatiron building, right? Are you hungry? I am. This is what really defines LA. You just have these little strip plazas after strip plazas after strip plazas here. Food. Got their own security. I like the Boba. Oxford Center. Getting ready for another big day. Got a lot of homeless little camps up and down here. Almost seems like no matter what neighborhood you're in, you're gonna encounter. There's some more up there too. Seems to be a sign of the times. I don't know why I love these. They're so iconic, these 1920s LA apartment houses. They're just beautiful. That sort of Art Deco. This is called the Ashby on Hobart at 8th Street. Cool with the old palms and the fire escapes hanging off the side. And I love that ornamental finishes like above the door. It's a beautiful day today. Interesting, a Korean tailor shop tucked in here. They tagged the hell out of it, but there are trees in LA. Look at the way they got that nice shade right there. Looks like 1930s look, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Morning. Morning in Koreatown.
Yeah.
Got some of these chiropractic healing places, Korean style, right? Cool building. One distinctive thing though is the number of Korean barbecues that you see here. They're almost on every corner. So you know the competition must be really stiff here. Very tasty though. Hey, the one constant in LA so far is just garbage. Just uncollected garbage on street corners and things. One of these street dining venues here. It's the only way to survive, I guess, if you're in the restaurant business right now. This guy's got all the street and over here.
Turn right onto Wilshire Boulevard.
This brings us up to Wilshire Boulevard, or as they would say, Wilshire Boulevard. It's a pretty cool church there, St. Basil's Catholic Church. Kind of wild, it's got all the stained glass. Pretty as a picture against the blue sky today. The thing I love most about coming to big cities is you have the opportunity to get off the beaten path. Of course, everybody should always see all the highlights of any place they visit, but the real fun comes when you discover interesting things on the streets in neighborhoods that normally tourists wouldn't go to, where the living people and the workers and all that live and play and hang out. Maybe a perfect example here, right across the street here on Wilshire, a really beautiful building. That gorgeous, that Jewish synagogue there. Not quite sure when it was built, but it's pretty amazing looking. Probably not on any tourist maps, but very cool nonetheless. There's another one of those beautiful, iconic LA 1920s. Probably originally an apartment house, but streamlined. People wonder what's Art Deco. You see it all over. Late 20s, early 30s. Very cool. Well, I'm going to have breakfast at Denny's. The place that I was going to eat, the mom and pop place, is closed down, and frankly I've walked about 2 miles so far this morning and I'm pretty hungry. Around Wilshire. So let's look at the menu. I don't know if they have the value meals anymore or not. Not sure. I'll have to look it over. That's the thing right now. So many places. You'll look them up on Google, or you know, the all the apps for checking out restaurants and reviews on Yelp, and then you go there to check them out and they're closed, they're boarded up. I guess nobody thinks to report into Yelp or places like Google that you're gone, brother. Hence I have to eat it at Denny's today. That looks good. Yeah, coffee and okay, thank you. Yeah, just some more coffee and I'll be all set. Thank you. Nice blueberry pancakes there. Something simple. didn't feel like a lot of extra meats. I'm kind of carbohydrate deficient right now, guys. It's a tasty ass pancake. Good, good, good. Breakfast in LA. Hey, not bad. $6.88 all in. I don't know how it came out so cheap. Oh well, $6.88. Good morning, sweetie. Kind of a fun morning in LA, huh? Thanks so much for being along, guys. Thumbs up are appreciated. Any comments, put them in the comments section down below. Nice breeze here, but it's going to be another warm day in LA. Thanks, everybody.